goods? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Make sure you guys watch this video all the way through and go check out my channel. I have a lot of great videos available for you guys. Okay, so today we have an inventory unboxing video, and this one is very exciting because it's new inventory. So I've been expanding my brand, as you guys can see over my videos. I've been trying to like incorporate other products and stuff, and that's always been the plan. Let's go ahead and open this package up because y'all probably like, girl, what you got in there? Ooh, I'm not ready. I am not ready, guys. I'm so excited. See something y'all like, do not hesitate to go shop. So this is just a sample batch or whatever. These literally look so freaking cute. And if you haven't guessed it yet, well, you know what? Comment down below what you guys think these are. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Let me go ahead and start opening it up. Did y'all comment what y'all think it is? I'm gonna start opening it up now. Okay. So cute. Oh my god, I wish you guys could feel this material. It's the softest material ever. I would sleep in this every single night. If y'all didn't know, well, y'all probably would. Man, I'm a nightgown pajamas type of girl. Like, I like wearing like pajamas all day every day, and this is right up my alley. So if you guys guessed right, it's a onesie. Ooh. So this is so cute. My labels won't be here until a few weeks, and then I also have to, of course, do a video with my hang tags. So expect that. Let me go ahead and open up the other ones. It's everything I envisioned, literally. This is how it looks. So cute. Let me give y'all an up close. Y'all know this is my favorite. Wow. I'm gonna give y'all an up close of the print. It's so soft. It's like the softest material. Okay guys, I'm trying it on now. I'm gonna try the money one on first for y'all. So if you guys wanna purchase these, go right ahead. They will be on my website for Black Friday. Okay guys, so this is how the front looks. It's so comfortable. Like, literally, I wish you guys could feel this material. It's very soft, and the shorts, they're not too short. I didn't want them to be super short like boy shorts. I wanted them to be long enough, and they are. And you can also pull them down a little bit. I think that this is a great Christmas present idea for like you and your friends, you and your sisters, all of the holiday sleepovers and parties coming up, girl. Go get you and your friend one. They will be available on Thursday, next Thursday for Black Friday. You could wear like a cute little cami top under here or whatever. But yeah, this is how it looks. I have on my butterfly bracelet. I mean my butterfly necklace from my website as well. So cute, and it's very affordable, so go check that out too, y'all. I really like this one. I think I like this one better than the other one. Let's try on the red one and see which one is our favorite. I love how vibrant this red is. Like, it's literally the perfect red. Subscribe to my mailing list because I probably will have like an email going out. So now we are going to go into inventory for my accessories. So I'm super excited. I added some new styles or whatever. So I like to just buy a few of them to see like which ones sell, so then I can know like how many to buy of each style the next time I purchase inventory or whatever. And that's a great tip. Like, you definitely don't want to buy a large supply. Like, say if you have a lot of styles for something, you don't want to buy a large supply for every single one. I would definitely test it out if you can, just because one style may sell way faster and better than the other style. So I definitely would keep that in mind when buying inventory. But yeah, so I'm going to take these out the little plastic bags and show you guys what they look like. Let's get started. I'm just going to take them out the package and then show you guys what they look like. I also need to come up with some different style names and all of that, so I'll probably do that. But yeah, so let's take this one out because it just looks really cute. Yeah, I love this one. I think this is going to be my new favorite one. Okay, so it just looks like this. And as you guys can see, it has a heart with a cross and then a regular heart and a cross as well. And I love the chain of this. It's really cute. And I love the chains like this. I forgot what they're called, but I love chains that has a little twist or whatever. Really cute. And yeah, these definitely will be on my website for an affordable price. So if you guys are interested in them, go help your girl out and purchase them. So I don't know what I'm gonna call that one yet. But let's move on to the next one. See what we got here. Ooh. I love all of them, obviously, because I picked all of them out. This one is gonna be my fave too. Okay. So I love this one. Okay, so this one is a bit more dressier. So I will wear this like when I'm dressing up, going to the club or something, or for the holidays. Yeah, so I like how this one has 3 different styles of chains, and then it also has like the little rhinestones and then the rose. I really love that, and this would be perfect for like a dressy outfit. Let's move on to this one. So this one, I really like this one. It has the word sweetheart on it, and it's really cute. And this one is very long, so if you're into like very long layered accessories, this is definitely for you. It says sweetheart. It has like the baby fat cat. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the baby fat cat on there. And then it has like a cute little pendant and then a money pendant as well. So this one is really long, and it probably goes like down by your bra, like where your bra starts at. I would assume it would go there. But yeah, it's pretty long, and I love that one. This one is really cute. It has those different chains as well, which I like. So it's layered as well, and it's plain, but it's still like, if you don't like wearing a lot of like jewelry on your neck or whatever, this is cute because it comes with 4 layers, but they're all very simple. It only has 1 pendant on there, and then it has these little spikes. It's really cute, and this one is long as well because this one, the last necklace on here, goes pretty long. Okay guys, so here are my last few styles of necklaces. So y'all seen the gold style like this, but of course I have silver as well, and it's a cute little dainty necklace. It's only $1.99. It's very simple and cute. I love this style. Then I have this other silver style, and it's pretty long. It comes with a pink charm, and it also comes with this little cute angel and a cross as well that's black. And I think this is really cute. I really like the chains on this necklace as well. And yeah, and then we have the last one. This is more of like a chunky layered necklace, and then the cross pendant with 2 more pendants. And I think this is really cute. This is like a very popular necklace. You'll probably see something like this at like Forever 21 or something like that. I'm pretty sure I have hella of them from Forever 21. But yeah, very cute. It will look really, really cute with like a graphic tee or like an oversized sweater or something like that. Really cute. But yeah, so those are all of my necklaces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video a lot. I really appreciate you guys. As you guys know, I give you guys codes in every single video. This code is inventory, and with this code you'll be able to have access to one of my webinar replays for free. All you have to do is go to kdkbeauty.com, add one of my webinar replays in your cart, add the code inventory, and you'll be able to check out for free. One person, so shout out to y'all that watch all of my videos all the way through. I love giving back to you guys, and there's so much more to come. So keep on supporting me, and I appreciate it so much. And if you're new here, hey, subscribe, become a boss friend, because it's lit over here. I support small businesses as well. I always want you guys to comment your websites down below so I can go shop. That is my thing. I love shopping with my boss friends. So make sure you guys are returning the favor. Go to kdkbeauty.com and use the code YouTube, and yeah, you'll get a huge percentage off. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't liked yet, don't leave this video without liking it. And, you know, go check out my channel for other videos if you haven't watched them already. I appreciate you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, boss friends. Bye.